We're trying to find a coterminal angle with negative 15 pi over 4. Since our angle is given in radians, we need to deal with this problem in radians. Because it's negative, I know I'm going to be adding 2 pi. And I have to add it as many times as I need to until I get an answer that's between 0 and 2 pi. So really what I'm going to do is just keep adding 2 pi until I come out with a positive answer. So I'm going to start with negative 15 pi over 4. And I'm trying to add 2 pi, but they do not have a common denominator. You can use a calculator. The trick is that you can't put pi in the calculator. So you would have to put in negative 15 over 4 plus 2, and then you would have to add in the pi on your own. I'm going to show you how to do this by hand, though. To get a common denominator, we're going to multiply 2 pi by 4 over 4. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us the same denominator. So I'm going to copy down negative 15 pi over 4, and then I'm going to do plus, and then I would have 8 pi over 4. So now I have a common denominator. Now what I'm going to do is add together my numerators. So if I do negative 15 plus 8, that's going to give me negative 7 pi over 4. So that's still negative. So I have to start this whole process over again with negative 7 pi over 4, and I'm going to be adding this thing again, but instead of writing it and doing the common denominator thing all over again, I'm just going to use what I already know it equals. So I'm going to say plus 8 pi over 4. Negative 7 pi plus 8 pi would be 1 pi, but I don't have to write the 1. So my final answer would be pi over 4.